so now let's delete out TouchSense and let's go back to our BotX master screen and we will add TouchSense again. We will move it above our weld segments, and this time we're going to review Thorough Search. This one is going to be a TouchSense from two separate directions. So on a piece like this where I have two planes, three searchable surfaces for the robot to use to find the weld joint. So again, on our pendant, the tutorial comes up. For us, we are going to close out of that. So first, just like quick search, we're going to create our first 2 points and a search direction. So now for my search direction, just like on quick search, it is going to be on the opposite side of my piece from my touch points. So now for my third touch point, I want it to be on a separate plane, a different direction. I want it to be on a different direction from my first 2 points. So I'm going to use this side. So same concept, just a different flat plane of the workpiece. So I'll use the blue button to save that point. And now I want search direction 2. And again, I want this between or beyond the workpiece and my touch point. I'll use the blue button to save that point as well. So same as quick search, I'm going to go into search and adjust my settings. I'm going to change my force threshold somewhere between 8 and 10, and I'm going to adjust my automatic approach and exits. And then I'm going to go into search 2, settings, change my force threshold, and change my approach and exits. So that way the arm is not running into anything. So now we'll go ahead and play through our TouchSense. All right, so now I am just going to slightly turn our workpiece and let the robot search again. So we'll pull it forward and just twist. And now we will just let the TouchSense search for the piece. And that is how you use the TouchSense feature on the BotX. If you have additional questions about TouchSense, please reach out to the BotX team on the ReadyArc app.